statement is calculate the angle between direction 1 1 1 and 1 bar 1 bar 1 direction in a cubic crystal. So there are four choices are given here. We have to find out the we have to find out the correct answer for this problem statement. So let us assume this this direction is triple one direction or 1 1 1 direction. So similarly, let us assume this direction is 1 bar 1 bar 1 direction. So what we have to do is we have to find out the angle between triple one direction and 1 bar 1 bar 1 direction. That the angle between these two directions, we call it as a phi, or we refer as phi in this case. So for a cubic crystal, the angle between two directions can be obtained by this relation, that is cos phi is equal to h1 h2 plus k1 k2 plus l1 l2 divided by root of h1 square plus k1 square plus l2 square l1 square into h2 square plus k2 square plus l2 square. So this is the relation which helps us to calculate the angle between two directions in the cubic crystals. If the crystal system is different, then we have to choose the appropriate relation to calculate the angle between the two directions corresponding to that particular crystal system. In our case, the angle between the two directions we need to calculate in the cubic crystal. Therefore we are using this relation. So the given directions are one triple one directions. So let us consider h1 k1 l1 is equal to 1 1 1 and h2 k2 l2 is equal to 1 bar 1 bar 1. So therefore h1 is equal to 1, k1 is equal to 1 and l1 is equal to 1. h2 is equal to 1 bar, k2 is equal to 1 bar and l2 is equal to 1. So we have to substitute these values in this cos relation. So that is cos phi is equal to h1 is 1 and h2 is minus 1. So and similarly plus 1 in 1, so k1 is 1 and k2 is minus 1. So and l1 is 1 and l2 is 1 divided by root of 1 square, that is h1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square into 1 square minus of 1 square and minus of 1 square 1 square. This will be the the substitution. Finally cos pi will be equal to minus 1. So this, if you multiply these things, what you'll get is minus 1 and this is minus 1, therefore minus 2 plus 1. So in the numerator we will get minus 1. So if you come to the denominator, so what you get 3 into 3. So therefore 3 into 3, root of 3 into 3 will be here in the numerator. So which will be equal to minus 1 by root 9. So which will be equal to again minus 1 by 3. Root 9 is 3. So therefore minus 1 by 3. So now what we got is cos pi is equal to minus 1 by 3. So we want to find out the phi value. So you take the cos to the right side, cos inverse of minus 1 by 3. So therefore the final pi value is 109.5 degree. This is the answer for this. If you get the if you solve for the cos of minus 1, substitute and get the values, the pi value will be 109.5 degree. So this is the answer for this problem statement, that is calculate the angle pi between 1 direction and 1 directions in a cubic crystal. So therefore the right answer is choice 2 is the right answer. That is 109.5 degree is the right answer.